Talkin Bout Love. In this video I want to show you the great song Ain't Talking About Love by Van Halen. Eddie Van Halen just sadly passed by, and because of this I remembered all his great songs and how much they influenced the guitar world, and I think it is pretty important to show you this song because it's actually not that hard, although it's such an iconic riff. So, before we start out with this tutorial, I want to mention that I divide it into 3 parts: the intro, the chorus, and the verse. So let's start out with the intro, the one that everybody knows, even if they don't know who Van Halen is, because everybody heard that before. So we start out with an A minor chord. Classic. Middle finger 2nd fret D string, ring finger 2nd fret G string, index finger 1st fret B string. And we play the A, D, B, G string. And we don't play them open, but we mute them with our picking hand. We put our palm on the strings here at the bridge. Practice this first. Everything played with downstrokes. Yeah? Then we play the open E string. And then we need to play 1st fret E string. So we need to put our index finger there. Open E string, 1st fret, and then again 1st fret B string and 2nd fret G string. That's the first part. This is the first part. Then we go to the G chord, which we play like this. Ring finger and pinky go to the 3rd fret of the B and E string, and the middle finger goes to the 3rd fret of the low E string. And we play the E, B, and then the low E string. And then we play 3rd fret A string with the middle finger, 2nd fret with the index, and back to the 3rd fret A string. And on this note we play a little vibrato. We just shake the note like this. So let's do the whole thing, the whole intro. Played 4 times, and then we come to the part which is actually chorus part, but it's still played in the intro, but we play this stuff later in the chorus too, so it's You see, this is quite similar to what we just did, but we don't play that many single notes, but we play more chords, whole chords. We play the A minor again, and we play 1 time open chord. Okay, and after that we play 2 times the muted low A string. And again the open chord. So open chord, muted strings 2 times, and then open chord again. And then we play a muted low E string. And then we play a very cool version of a G major chord. Just put the middle finger into the 3rd fret of the low E string, and then we mute the A string with this finger. See? A string is muted, and then D, G, and B string. Yeah! I like that chord. And then again, our little run. This is what you do for the first time. And the second time is a little different. Instead of this run, you do 2 times 5th fret G string, and then you slide up to the 7th fret, you hit it again, you slide into the 9th fret, you hit it again, and slide into the 12th fret. And then again. And the 4th time, we have again a little lick. You play with the ring finger in the 7th fret of the G string, a whole tone bending. 4 times, and at the 4th time you play a little vibrato on it on top. So the whole chorus, which is played in the intro. Second time with the run. 3rd time, run. 4th time. And then we come to the verse. Again, things we already did, but a tiny little different. So we play again A minor. We start out again with muted strings, A, D, B, G. And then we go with the 1st finger into the 1st fret of the E string. And then we play again the G string, where still the ring finger is waiting. And then we play our G chord, but only ring finger and pinky in the 3rd fret of the B and E string and the open G string. And then, again, our little run here, 3rd fret E string, 3rd fret A string, 2nd fret, 3rd fret. So, the whole thing goes like this. Chorus. Ain't talking about love. Ain't talking about love. And again, verse. And so on. This goes throughout the whole song. You don't have any other crazy new parts there, and it's so much fun to play because it's played with all those chords you probably have played a lot of times in your life already. And I hope you had fun with this video. Let me know what you want to learn, and the next videos, just place a comment below. Make sure to check out in the video description my free lessons, which will help you to get through my channel, The World of Guitar. It's a good start for you, and don't be hanging there if you're just a beginner and say, well, this is too hard for me. Check out the free lessons. You will get a good basis and have a lot of fun with playing music from the very first video on. So thanks for tuning in. My name is Hannes, and see you in the next video. Bye.